Chaser effect. I've been talking to many guys and they talk about this chasing effect. What that means is when you stop pornography, you stop masturbating, suddenly you want to discipline yourself because of all the good things it gives you. So you just put a brake to a very high speed car, and what happens is there's the jerk that comes with that is also one has to go through. So what happens is the brain, it craves for the dopamine kick. It wants to get the full feeling. So many men I have been talking where they have gone through like a nofap for 6 months, 1 year, right? And suddenly they would start getting these effects, maybe wet dreams, and they are not able to control the urge. And that situation is a lot bad when this person is not able to overcome it, because it's like a very powerful force, right? It's like a fast running car, and you apply a very strong brake. So this method of nofap is something that I don't suggest as like a facilitator, because this can have a very adverse effect, and people sometimes lose their brain and they go into a very bad situation after these practices. So the solution is, the Tao master says that we need to bring balance, right? This yin yang balance, what we see, the black and the white. So when we are stopping it with a very huge force, it will develop another force at the back, and that force will start to fight. And there are men, they would say we need to fight it, we have to overcome it, but the better way is to balance it, right? So the Taoist masters say follow the golden rule. The golden rule is, if you are 20 years old, you need to ejaculate in 4 days. If you are 30 years, you can ejaculate in 1 week. If you are 40 years, you can ejaculate in 2 weeks. 50 years, 3 weeks. 60 and up, 4 weeks. That means in a month. So what happens is, you are ejaculating and your urges are in a balance. You can maintain it. So don't go into like extreme. That is all the master, they always say. Not to go into extreme, oh no fap, and I will not look at pornography. Even masters say the pornography is fine as long as you know how to master your semen, right? So watching a pornography, if you can be multi-orgasmic, that's fine. You can keep watching, no problem. But the mastery needs to be inside. You need to master your ejaculation, right? So multi-orgasm is a very beautiful way to master your ejaculation and bring a balance to your sexual life. My name is Aditya Datta. I'm an intimacy coach. I do free webinars on how to learn these things, like especially how to learn ejaculation control, multi-orgasm, how to come out of all these dysfunction men go through. You can find a link to join our next webinar. You'll find the link down below. So click and join the webinar, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.